Section 6. Cleaned this up a bunch today. This hole was cleaned up by Chuck mostly in the last couple days. This was a huge hole. There used to be a check dam over here, and then after the floods this had just a huge spillover and this had rutted out. There was probably an 18-inch drop or so here. Top of the check dam was washing out behind it, so there was a hole behind it. Just nasty. So we filled this in really nicely. There's both pretty easy mellow line, and there's up, straight up, same coming down. This is a nice little fast drop, or you can cut around, take it nice and easy here. Lots of good choking here on this water bar. This is a big water bar. We had to get some drainage before this big rock down here. So this comes all the way across, all the way off the trail. And then this guy, this was partially done before too. This is the first of the 3 check dams in Section 6 that were just a mess. Holes behind them, big undercutting. Took the check dam out, anchored some big rocks up top. Here, those are buried probably, this big one is probably buried 18 inches. And then has a little lip on the other side to maintain the soil up there. Nice rock ramp coming through it. Choke on the sides. And then the next section we need to work on is right here. This is the next water bar we pulled out. We pulled these big old rocks up here. Those are going to need to go in here. Similar idea, a little bit of a lip on these big rocks for the check dam, and then a couple of rocks to make a ramp before it. Nice water bar here. A little bit of drainage. We might pronounce that a little more. Bring it out into the trail with a little hump right here to make sure that the drain goes off the trail. This check dam here, right before the end of Section 6, probably doesn't need to come out. The undercutting isn't very bad. We want to maintain these rocks on the side as a choke, but we could bring some of these rocks in, build a little bit of a ramp here to sustain that, keep it from undercutting. And then that's the end of Section 6.